In this video, I'm going to show you how to change location setting on Facebook. If you are already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewers are looking for. Let's get started. Once you open the Facebook app, click on your profile picture to the right here. Then what you want to do next is click on your name, the bar here at the top. Then tap on the three dots to the right, then click on edit. Okay, make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake that will ruin the whole process. Okay, when you click on edit, you will see various options here. We have a place for links, highlights, then details and bio and everything. Now what we want to focus on here is the details. Okay, this one here. Now you can see currently my location is New York. Okay, then my hometown is Kisumu, Nyanza, but now we can edit the current city. Just click on this button here, then type the city that you want to change here. Maybe now I can say that I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. You see, you can easily change the current location. Now make it visible to everybody here, then just save it like that. Now you can see this one can be shared to my audience, or if I don't want to share it to my audience, I can just change it like this. Okay, let me just show you. New York. Now I don't make it public. I can just make sure that I'm the only one who can see that change. Okay, then you just save like this. It's very simple. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips like this. Thank you.